Hey guys, what is up? Right now I am going downstairs to go check on my updates that I did. And so I am going to my freezer and checking on my updated slime that I put in the freezer. Okay, so it's looking good so far. I think it's set. I'm not positive.
You see I have water splashing over here and you're still going to be over here by this, right? Use your brain, child.
Okay, Mom. That was my mom. So I'm going to take the plastic wrap off. Now take the plastic wrap off. Okay. So I'm gonna take the plastic wrap off. I'm assuming I don't need this. What? And I'm gonna stir it. Yeah, I think it turned into slime. Just gonna stir it. See if it if it didn't, we're just gonna have to go upstairs and grab my glue real quick. Like not the slimy material, but right now I'm gonna go upstairs and go get my glitter glue. I just dropped you guys, but this is my glitter glue, guys. It's a blue, but I think it'll make it like a unicorn slime. Should make it like a unicorn slime. So yeah, I'm gonna add this into my slime. Okay, not slime. So I got my slime here, got my glitter glue here. I'm only adding a little bit, guys. Actually, I'm gonna close. This is the slime. This is from the slimy glue. This is actually from my mermaid slime. I'm doing the shoot, y'all! I wasn't actually doing the shoot. Doing the shoot! I'm doing the shoot! Doing the shoot! What? I'm doing the shoot. I'm doing the shoot. Alright, whatever. I'm not the best at it, guys. Sorry, my husband, my mom did it for me. It's horrible. Whatever.
Don't do all that, you're going to get it all sticky.
What?
Don't do all that, you're going to get it all sticky. Squeeze it.
Ballerina.
Squeeze it as hard as you can.
I don't want that much in it though. Okay, that should be good. That should be good. That should be good, Mom.
Scrape it off.
There, that's good. Can you get me another thing of this?
Oh, I have to find it.
Where'd you buy this?
I didn't. Came with your kit.
I know, but like, where'd you buy it? So now that we got the glitter glue mixed in, like not mixed in, but it looks like this. I wonder what color it's gonna turn, guys. I don't know what color it's gonna turn. Okay. La da da da. So good. I think it's gonna stay the same color. La da da da. Didn't really turn a different color. La da di da, come to Vesta. La da di da, come to Vesta. Go to Vesta. Let me go crazy and let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, come on, go. Okay, so are you? La da di da, go to Vesta. Lenino Nari, you already know. You already know. Taking on me, you already know. Hey, hey. Hey guys, I'm gonna add some hot chocolate. Woo! Do we got any vanilla?
Nope.
Gonna have 1 or 2 drops, but okay. Yeah, we do.
You're not using my food. Stop. You already got the flour. You're not using no food, man.
Okay.
All you do is waste it. So what are you going to do when that dries out?
It's not gonna dry out.
I bet it will.
Okay guys, so we're going back upstairs to grab something else that fell out of the bag that had the glitter glue in it. Because I think that'll help it turn into slime. La da dee da. Hey guys, today I will be eating a crayon. I'm eating a crayon, guys. So I'm gonna peel the wrapper off so I don't eat the wrapper. It's not. It's a sharpened crayon. It's not a sharpened crayon. It's a regular crayon. And it is a blue crayon. Sure, everybody knows what kind of crayon this is. It's a blue crayon. Never mind, I'll tell you after I'm done eating it. Ready? I'm gonna eat this crayon. If you guys bubblegum cream, you are right. So, I gotta find it. We're gonna put it back in my freezer for a little bit. I'm gonna give it another quick mix. La da dee da, come to mama. Hey, hey, hey. La da dee da. La la dee da. If you wonder why this video took about more than one, it's because I wanted to watch YouTube while everything was happening. So yeah. Guys, you have slime, but not until it freezes, and then next I'm gonna put it in the fridge. Like after it freezes for a little bit, because it'll come together. I was gonna ask you a question, but I know you're gonna say no. That was your fault.
I said,
No, it's your fault.
Break my phone. I'm gonna break your phone.
It's not even your phone.
Really?
What?
That is my phone.
Dang it.
No, now you're gonna wash it.
What?
You're gonna wash it.
I'm gonna wash the spoon.
Yep. Throw another thing and you're gonna wash what's in the sink over there. And that's not washing. I said throw
I
it out and
know.
wash
I'm rinsing it off and then I'm gonna wash it more. Seriously, Mom.
Put your hot chocolate mix in. Did you really mix hot chocolate in with that?
No.
Throw that away.
If I did, it would smell like cocoa.
You smell like cocoa.
You smell like hot cocoa. How about that?
You are hot cocoa.
Catch me outside. And that was a phrase from a song, guys. Catch me outside, how about that? Catch me outside, how about that? Catch me out, catch me out, catch me outside, how about that? Mommy, I ate a crayon.
Yeah, no.
I did.
Probably when you were little.
I ate a crayon and it's still in my mouth right now. See? Go. You better not have ate a crayon, my mom says.
You know better.
What?
I said you know better, yo.
You know it was bubble gum.